Today I'm cooking Denver omelette. It's easy and delicious. In a bowl, beat 3 eggs with salt and pepper. Now in a pan, roast chicken strips from both sides. In a pan, add butter, chopped chicken strips, onion, green, yellow and red bell pepper. Cook it all for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add salt and pepper, hot sauce and coriander leaves. Now pour egg mixture and mix it all together. Once egg will set, flip it and cook it from other side. Add cheese and chicken strips one side and cover it. Cook it for 30 seconds or until cheese melt. Enjoy.